Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to log out of your MyFit application. Watch the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. In order to log out of your MyFit application, first, simply log into your account by entering the credentials. If you're already logged in, then that's great. Since I'm not, let me go and enter my credentials to log in. Once you type in all the credentials correct, tap on the login button so that you can log into your account. Once you're in, this is your home screen. Now, in order to log out of your MyFit application, from your home screen, go to the hamburger menu at the upper right corner, displayed right here. And once you do that, at the very bottom of the page, you'll be able to see a logout button. Tap on log out, and from the pop-up, select log out. Don't worry, all the history record will be saved even after you log out of your account, so go ahead and do it, and there you go. You have been successfully logged out of your MyFit application with just a tap. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.